Good morning. Welcome to Preeta's AgriBiome classroom. Myself, Dr. Preeta Shamrao Borkar, Associate Professor in Agricultural Microbiology, NES Science College, Nanded. Today, we are going to see phototrophic metabolism. Phototrophic bacteria or phototrophic microorganisms are those microorganisms which are referred as autotrophs. These autotrophs usually utilize C1 compounds like carbon dioxide and methane. Autotrophs also include methylotrophs, which uses methane or methanol. Depending on the source of energy, microorganisms or the autotrophic microorganisms, they have been classified into various groups. Those includes hydrogen bacteria, which utilizes hydrogen as a source of energy. The microorganisms belonging to the genera Ralstonia, formerly called as alkali-genes, Nocardia, Xanthobacter, Pseudomonas, and Dirksia. Nitrifying bacteria uses ammonia, nitrite, or atmospheric nitrogen as a source of energy. The genera which belongs to the microorganism utilizing ammonia are Nitrosolobus, Nitrosomonas, Nitrocystis. Those nitrifying bacteria which utilizes nitrite are Nitrobacter, Nitrospira, Nitrosococcus. The microorganisms nitrifying bacteria which utilizes atmospheric nitrogen belongs to the genera Azotobacter, Anabina, Prochlorococcus and Rhizobium. Mostly, they are symbiotic and non-symbiotic nitrogen-fixing microorganisms. Now, the sulfur bacteria. Sulfur bacteria utilizes elemental sulfur, hydrogen sulfide and thiosulfate as a source of energy. The genera which are Thiobacillus, Sulfolobus, Desulfatomaculus, Desulfovibrio. The ion bacteria utilizes ferrous ions, belongs to the genera Gallionella, ferrooxidans, Leptothrix, Schwannella, etc. Methylotrophs or the methylotrophic microorganisms utilize methane or methanol as a source of energy. They belong to the genera Hyphomicrobium, Methylomonas, Methylobacter, Paracoccus, Pseudomonas. There is another group of methanogenic bacteria. These methanogenic bacteria utilize hydrogen and carbon dioxide with formation of methane. Such type of microorganisms, they are referred as methanogenic bacteria. Methanogenic bacteria includes the genera Methanobacterium, Methanobrevibacter, Methanococcus, Methanomicrobium, Methanogenium, Methanospirillum, Methanosarcina. These type of microorganisms utilize hydrogen, carbon dioxide, formate methylamine, trimethylamine or acetate. The microorganisms which utilize light as a source of energy are called as phototrophs. The phototrophic microorganisms belongs to the genera Rhodobacter, Anabina, Prochlorococcus, Synechococcus and algae. Now we will see the cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria are true photosynthetic microorganisms. They are considered as photoautotrophic microorganisms since they utilize light as a source of energy and they conduct photosynthesis like green plants and algae. As the most living forms on earth undergo photosynthetic process. The examples of cyanobacteria are Prochlorococcus, Synechococcus, and Anabina. They comprise largest population of photosynthetic microorganisms on planet. Cyanobacteria contains chlorophyll like eukaryotes, algae and green plants. They use water as the electron donor and oxygen is generated during the photolysis process. Light absorbing beta carotene pigment absorbs light energy and transfer it to the chlorophyll molecule and then to the cascades in the photosystem. Photosynthetic bacteria found in deeper waters of are usually permanently stratified meromictic lakes where the conditions are anaerobic but light is available there to undergo photosynthesis. Photosynthetic bacteria usually contains bacteriochlorophyll A or B. It comprises of three main groups. The purple bacteria, which comprises purple sulfur bacteria and purple non-sulfur bacteria. And the second group is the green bacteria. The bacteriochlorophyll is present in the purple bacteria and non-purple bacteria. The purple bacteria utilizes hydrogen sulfide or inorganic compound as electron donors and their metabolisms does not involve molecular oxygen and therefore they undergo anaerobic type of photosynthesis process. Purple non-sulfur bacteria, Earthioideaceae family, it utilizes inorganic compounds like nitrate, nitrite and hydrogen as electron donor. So if you observe the carotenoid pigment, which are the light absorbing pigment in algae, green plants or cyanobacteria, and in purple bacteria and green bacteria, you will observe that algae and green plants contain alicyclic beta carotene pigment. The purple bacteria contains aliphatic or lycopene pigment. As you observe that the rings are opened, the aliphatic lycopene structure. However, in green bacteria, you find the aryl groups, the benzyl ring groups attached at the two ends. So these carotenoid pigments having the aryl group is present in green bacteria. These are the examples of carotenoid pigment which is produced by plants, algae and photosynthetic bacteria. Although there are many variations among the carotenoid pigment, their basic function is to perform the photosynthetic process. Green bacteria, Chlorobacteriaceae, it contains bacteriochlorophyll C or D. This bacteria utilizes hydrogen sulfide or organic compounds as electron donor and it also undergoes anaerobic metabolic pathways. The light absorbing pigment in photosynthetic bacteria represents a differentiating characteristics among themselves. All algae and green plants contain beta carotene. Purple bacteria and purple non-sulfur bacteria contains carotene pigment as both aliphatic and aryl types. However, the green bacteria contains only aryl carotenoids. The Chlorobacteriaceae or the green bacteria contains vesicle
acid attached to the acetyl-CoA elongates the chain and CoA SH is given out. Polyhydroxybutyrate serves as a major storage reserve material in these microorganisms. However, PHB is also a reserve material in many of the microorganisms. The cyanobacteria are considered to be very evolutionary in nature, as 16S rRNA sequencing and phylogenetic analysis of C-type of chromosome cytochromes and rRNA sequences has established a relationship between cyanobacteria and chloroplast of green algae and higher plants. This line of evidence provides support for the concept of prokaryotic origins of chloroplast along similar lines of development attributed to mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell,